Look at this killer. Fucking killer right here, boys. We got ourselves a killer on our hands, and there's no stopping him.
I ended up hearing some pine needles rustle, like a stick break, and I turned around and just was pretty bummed out to see a mountain lion chasing after me. So I stopped and...
That's right, boys. A mountain lion. Doogie motherfucking Hauser right here was attacked by a mountain lion. But I'll let him tell.
I threw my hands up in the air and I started shouting, and unfortunately the shouts didn't deter it, so it just kind of kept running and lunged at me. It was going toward my face, so I threw up my hands to kind of block my face, at which point it grabbed onto my hand and wrist, and from there it started to claw at my face and neck, and that's when kind of my fear response turned into more of a fight response, because I realized how close it was getting to my eyes, and it got...
Alright, you get the gist of it. He kills it. He kills the fucking cat. It's over. He's a fucking... Look at that little twerp. Kills it. And what is the thing that kills it? The insanity videos. That's all the training this guy has had. He's never been in a fight. And he killed a fucking mountain lion with his bare hands. Now we're going to pan to Joe Rogan, where poor Arian Foster got a bunch of shit for saying he could do this.
Never seen a single silly statement like I could kill a wolf one-on-one. Get so much fucking hype.
That's the weirdest.
So many people are so excited about this.
It's the weirdest thing I've ever seen, man. I can't call it. It was just, I tweet random shit all the time, and that just, for some reason, that
Nah, stop fucking around. You know you were just fucking stoned. Decided, dude, I could definitely take a wolf. Probably watching some fucking documentary or some bullshit. Don't go lying to us.
everybody had an opinion on it.
That's a weird one, man.
It's funny though.
I've seen a lot of people tweet really ridiculous shit, but I don't think I've ever seen anything get this much speculation, discussion, debate. People are mad at you.
Yeah, people pissed off like, fuck you, you can't beat a wolf. You can't. I'm like, Jesus Christ, bro. You got wolf cousins, man?
So let's go ahead and get rid of this debate. We got this guy killing a cougar and this guy saying he can kill a wolf. A wolf is not near the predator as a cougar. The cats are by far the superior predator than the canines. 100%. It's just, 5 modes of attack versus 1 mode of attack. In a pack, that's where things change. But he didn't say in a pack, he said one-on-one. So let's put the debate to rest. Arian Foster could kill a fucking wolf. End of story. So like the video and subscribe to the channel. Right meow.
Bye.